Brass Eagle Adventures: The Strange Sounds, Episode 4.
Andy, I've been looking at the readings of this satellite. I managed to recover some of the missing data. As it descends, the path is erratic, almost like it was guided, but these emissions don't make sense.
Emissions? Like what?
Well, just one so far. It's peculiar. We've caught a sequence, repeated, almost rhythmic. It is some kind of sound wave. The strange thing is, it was sent to an abandoned warehouse in Lemoore, California.
That's strange. Can you play the sound wave for me?
Sure. Listen carefully.
That's weird. It sounds like Morse code, but it's not. Even the computer isn't able to process. No known language or code. Maybe it's encrypted.
I'll call Lundy and Madison. Madison is our best sound engineer and expert.
Good idea.
A few minutes later in Operations Command.
Madison, take a look at this. This is from the satellite's data recorder that Darren and Sam found. It sent some strange sounds to several locations before it crashed. We don't know what they mean or what they contain.
These sounds, they're not just noise, they're data, encoded.
That's what we thought.
And it was sent to an abandoned warehouse? That's the last place you'd expect data transmission.
Exactly. It screams cover-up, perhaps a facade.
We ran the address through the computer. It's an abandoned warehouse in the outskirts of the city. There's no reason for anyone to send anything to that place. It's been deserted for years.
The last owner died 9 years ago. About the same time the satellite crashed to Earth.
This is suspicious. We need to find out what's going on. Who do we have near Lemoore? We need to get someone in there.
Con and Lee are close by. They're on an Overwatch surveillance assignment. I can pull them off if you need them.
Yes, please do.
Oh my, there's something else. The sound was not only used to send information, but also to receive it. There's something in that warehouse that is currently sending and receiving that sound wave. There must be a hidden device inside the warehouse that picked up the sound and is currently sending a signal.
A signal? What kind of signal?
I don't know. It is also encrypted. This device would have to be on an exterior wall, somewhere inside. My best guess would be the south-facing wall. I can see a strong sound wave emanating from that side.
Whatever is there is still active. Please patch us through to Con and Lee when you can.
Commander Cora, what's up?
We need to pull you two off of your current assignment. We have a situation. I'll send you the new assignment information.
Copy that.
Okay, new assignment sent to Con and Lee. We will keep you updated.
Thanks, Commander Cora. Whoever is using that warehouse, we're about to shine a light on their secrets.
And the adventures continue. Please like this video if you liked it. Subscribe if you are not already. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next video.